first working week of the year, and Frankfurt's financial district is shrouded in mist, a fitting symbol for the gloomy outlook for 2009. The major banks are bracing themselves for some stormy weather. The financial crisis has already left a trail of destruction in its wake. And there's still no sign of renewed trust in the sector. No one really knows what'll happen, but fear of the worst looms large throughout the finance market.
The biggest challenge is to think positively, but everyone should try.
It really could be a bad year, but the worst might be over quickly, maybe in 3 or 6 months.
I don't want to talk, sorry.
No comment, sorry.
Have you thought about it?
Not in front of the camera.
The mood is similarly pessimistic at Commerzbank. The traders joke and say it's business as usual, although few here can truly relax in light of the situation. Commerzbank has accepted over 8 billion euros from the government's rescue plan. Most German banks are no longer facing serious financial difficulties, but Jörg Krämer, the chief economist at Commerzbank, says what is lacking is the courage to invest the money at their disposal.
In terms of interbank lending, where banks lend each other billions without any security, the situation seems to be easing in recent weeks. The risk premiums that banks charge for money they lend each other have fallen significantly, but the current level of those premiums shows the situation is still tense.
So despite a lack of confidence, Germany's banks are starting 2009 without any serious problems. Christoph Schallast of the Frankfurt School of Finance and Management agrees. He's been analyzing the impact of the financial crisis and expects no mass job losses in the banking sector.
Jobs that become vacant as a result of natural staff turnover might not be filled because the business simply isn't there. There'll be less work to do in investment banking related to certificates and other products.
So things don't look so bleak for the money market, certainly when compared to other sectors. The bank's hesitancy to give loans is creating problems and could amplify the recession. So other industries have followed the bank's lead in asking the state for help.
It seems the ones who shout the loudest get the most help, and at the moment it's the car industry. These kinds of impulses are needed. We have a confidence crisis that needs trust-building measures to increase confidence. We need psychological measures, such as an economic stimulus package.
But without the banks, the state can't keep the economy running indefinitely. Experts say much will depend on the risks the banks are willing to take in the coming weeks.